Hi, and welcome to this video on VideoEdge licensing and registering for a license online. Licensing VideoEdge is a three-step process. The second step is to register for a license online. An account for the American Dynamics website is required before a license can be requested. Navigate to the American Dynamics website, log in and select the Support tab. Select the Register Software Licensing option and select the VideoEdge Software option. Select VideoEdge from the Product dropdown and click Next. A Personal Data Processing Consent form will be displayed. Please read the text and select I consent and confirm checkbox. Select the relevant software version from the License Version dropdown. This is your VideoEdge software version that you require. Enter the required integrator and end user information. You will not be able to submit the form until all the required fields have been completed. Select the Choose File button and upload the Host ID XML file that you created earlier. Enter the VideoEdge software serial number. This can be found on your VideoEdge installation media, on a sticker on the VideoEdge, or on the About page in VideoEdge. Enter the email address of the license recipient. And once all the fields have been populated, click the Submit button. Once the form has been processed, the license file will be emailed to the email address you provided.